Alright guys, this is crazy. This man right here is cutting up live lizards, turning it into oil, and selling it to people to massage on their body to help with aches and pains. Let's take a look. He kills the lizard, and then he takes the meat and he fries up the meat of the lizard and turns it into oil and puts it into these little vials right here. The lizard is cooking. Very, very hot. Whoa, baby. Wow. Splattering oil everywhere. Look at all that oil. That was fast. Now he's going to put the oil into the vials so that people can take it home with them, I guess. The vial is so hot that he's got to use a towel. That's some hot oil. Some hot oil, my friend. And he's rubbing the oil on this guy's leg who probably has some muscle discomfort. Are you okay?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay.
How much does he sell these for?
150 rupees.
150 rupees. So about 60 cents for one vial of lizard oil. Are you happy?
Happy.
Are you happy?
Happy.
What are you going to do with your lizard oil? He's going to put it on his knee?
Yeah.
On your knee, huh?
Knee.
Okay, all right.
So what do you think? This is obviously cruelty to animals. But at the same time, the poor man needs to make a living, right? Leave a comment below and join the discussion. If you're still here, you're gonna love my other videos from 6 incredible weeks in Pakistan. From unique food, to killer festivals, to wacky sports like kabaddi. I have so many interesting stories to tell. You know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. And while you're at it, check out another video right here. Pakistan Zindabad!